Introducing the Dolphin Professional Blue Tip Single Kit. This kit includes a single dolphin unit that you can use to treat various treatments such as pain management. And because of its minimal size, it's extremely portable to take with you everywhere. It also includes an extension probe that you can attach to the dolphin unit. You can also use the extension probe to treat hard-to-reach areas such as your back. It also comes with a natural health manual, which is our protocol book that shows you how to treat the most common pain issues. The manual also gives you a step-by-step guide on how to locate the point. To learn more, visit us at dolphinmps.com. Introducing Dolphin Vagal Nerve Stim Accessories Kit. Inside the kit you will get a set of pads, air clips, and attachments. It also comes with a vagal app Coving Long Haul Manual, which is our protocol book that guides you how to treat the vagus nerve. To set up the unit, first you will need to attach the oval pad to the metal plate behind the unit. Second, attach the white wire to the oval pads. Third, attach the rectangular pads to the white wire. Fourth, attach the rectangular pads to the wrist or belly depending on the protocol you are doing. Fifth, attach the black wire to the tip of the unit. Sixth, attach the air clip to the black wire. And finally, attach the air clip to your earlobe depending on the protocol you're doing. If you're having trouble around the unit, change the skin type to dry and pinch the air clip to your earlobe. In other cases, you need to moisten the earlobe with alcohol wipes and damp cloth. You can get this add-on with your purchase of a single or scarlet dolphin kit. To learn more, visit our website dolphinmps.com.